Yeah.
All right. Are you ready for the quick lightning round? And
Yep.
here we go. What is your favorite tech gadget?
I really like my refrigerator. I like cold drinks in the summer, and yeah, I couldn't live without it.
Favorite book, TV show, or movie?
Yeah, so favorite book is probably the last book I read. Maybe that sounds a little goofy, but it was called Kafka on the Shore. Really liked it. Very how to say, very not confusing is the word, but very esoteric, I guess, and I really liked that part of it.
Coffee or tea?
Tea. Coffee makes me a little too anxious.
Coffee makes me squirrely.
Yeah.
Most used keyboard shortcut?
Alt tab for moving between tabs. I usually have a lot open at once. I'm trying to juggle lots of things, so it's super useful for me.
One thing on your bucket list?
I definitely want to go to Hueco Mundo and do some bouldering there. Uh, it's in the States, so it's quite far away, but I really like to do that one day.
What's one fun fact about you?
I got a twin brother,
Paternal?
identical. Although he always has his hair very long, so you can usually tell us apart pretty easily.
What's the most vintage piece of tech you own?
Might be it might be like an iPhone 2, but